कितने 1 करोड़ दरखास्तें वैसी पड़ी हुई हैं और कोई उसका कुछ नहीं हुआ। तो आप देखिए कि उल्टा गरीब को कुछ मिलने के बजाय गरीब के जेब से चला गया और उसको कुछ नहीं मिला आज तक। सर, आई ऑल्सो would may recall that the government has also promised that lack of promised that a white ration card or the new ration cards will be issued, sir. Lack of families applied for the fresh card during the Prajapalana program held in December 23 and January 24, and this year too. Applications were invited for eligible families. However, all these families are waiting for fresh on the timeline for the issuance of the new ration card, sir. I hope that the government will take an immediate decision on this and issue the ration cards to the real needy and deserving families, sir. Sir, moreover, all the existing, whoever, is economically backward, you have the data, everybody has filled and given the details, like Akbaruddin Owaisi gave a detail, what is my bank account, what is it I have, how much money is there, what is my education qualification. I have also given the details of my wife, my children, everything is there. So you can take that and issue the ration cards to the people whose ration cards are not there. And you can also correct the ration cards, which are already, operational or in existence. You can use this. Artificial intelligence can be used for this, sir. But I really don't understand, sir, when I talk about all these, the promises made, one thing I would like to say, sir, one thing. I was going through the manifesto of Congress. All the promises were unconditional before the election, sir. Unconditional, sir. 200 यूनिट दे देंगे, 200 यूनिट फ्री, किसान को पानी फ्री दे देंगे, सारी चीजें फ्री थी, बस फ्री। लेकिन अब क्या हो गया सर, बस भी कंडीशनल हो गया, बस में औरत भी फ्री नहीं जाती है, लेकिन कैसा, आधार कार्ड होना है। लेकिन यह कंडीशन नहीं था। किसान को फ्री पावर देंगे, हां देंगे, तो कब देंगे, अगर वो काश करेगा, उस जमीन में अनाज को उगाएगा। अरे जब पानी आएगा तो उगाएगा ना, उगाने से पहले कैसा। सो दिस कंडीशन इज ऑल्सो देयर। तो अगर सवाल यह है सर कि जो भी प्रॉमिसेस थे वे 200 यूनिट में एवरीबॉडी थॉट के 200 यूनिट जिसका भी रहेगा फ्री हो जाएगा, 200 के बाद जो आएगा वो रहेगा। लेकिन अब कैसे हो रहा है कि 200 जिसका होगा उसी को दिया जा रहा है।
डिप्टी सीएम,
वो एग्रीकल्चर पंप सेट्स के बारे में बोल रहे हैं। आई एम मेकिंग इट वेरी क्लियर, all agriculture pump sets are free power we are giving. We are not keeping any condition at all. No condition at all. All the agriculture pump sets have been given, nearing about 28 lakh pump sets. If you want, I'll give the total amount also, what all that I'm paying every month. And 200 units also, up to 200 units. Whoever, getting benefit out of it, we are giving them free. Up to, that's what I'm saying.
Are you deducting 200?
No. That's, see, the beyond 200, whoever is using it, they are affluent people. Affluent sections ki avasam ledu. Desham రాష్ట్రంలో ఉన్నటువంటి పేదలకి వాళ్ళు అఫోర్డ్ చేసుకోలేనటువంటి వాళ్ళకి 200 లోపల అప్ టు 200 వరకు ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరికీ ఇస్తామని చెప్పాం. We are giving it. Beyond 200, definitely they can afford it. So public money, the people who can afford it need not to be spent there. You can spend it for some other purpose. See, as far as my knowledge goes, 100% agriculture pump sets అన్నిటికీ ఇస్తా ఉన్నాం. అట్లాగే దీనికి 200 యూనిట్స్ వరకు ఇస్తా ఉన్నాం. ఎక్కడైనా అగ్రికల్చర్ పంప్ సెట్స్కి ఎవరికైనా రానటువంటి వాళ్ళు మీ దృష్టికి ఎవరైనా తీసుకొని వస్తే మీరు ప్లీజ్ ట్రై టు సెండ్ ఇట్ టు మీ.